That's gonna be nice raspberries in my concrete planter. But first, hello, I'm Julian and this is my YouTube channel 1989 Go. Let's go. Today I'm using these two buckets to build a concrete planter. And here you can see the supplies I'm using for this project. And there is a full list of it in the video description down below. I tried to keep it as simple as possible, and the sanding machine you're seeing there is even optional. I started by cutting a plastic pipe. It will shape the drainage for my planter. And I'm using hot glue to glue the piece to the bottom of the smaller bucket. I wait for the glue to cure and spray it with WD-40. Then I'm putting some hot glue on the edge of the pipe to glue everything in place. I put the small bucket in the middle of the big bucket and wait for it to cure. I'm using adhesive tape and try to stabilize everything a little. And now it's already time to mix the concrete. And first I always start with some water so that there will be a little less dust. It's important to mix the concrete very well and also put the right amount of water inside. How much water you need is different from concrete mix to concrete mix. But normally there is always a note on the packaging how much water is just right. My concrete mix looks good now, and before filling in the mold I will spray it with some more WD-40. But you can also use some household oil, and it will keep the concrete from sticking to the mold. I fill in the concrete now. And I use my sanding machine to vibrate everything very good. And also put some stones in the middle to have some weight. And I fill in some more concrete and again vibrate it. It's also possible to vibrate everything just by hand. Here you can see how the air bubbles come up, and it will make the concrete stronger. I cover my planter and wait for the concrete to cure. Then I remove the planter from the mold, and it's really important to wait the exact right time for the concrete to cure, because if you look carefully you can see a little crack on one of my planters. I refine the edges a little with some sanding paper and spray it with 2 coats of a matte lacquer. One is already sealed and the other one needs some more time to cure. Here you can also see the crack I mentioned, but I think I will leave the crack for some character reasons. That's already all for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I want to thank you for watching, and if you liked you can subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!